Welcome back to Crypto Wealthy Channel, guys. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you and your family. In today's episode, I'm going to show you one of the indicators that could potentially push the Bitcoin price further lower. It started to decline. And now, let's begin. Now, to sum it up fast, we can see that this market structure is laying down on $7,400, and as we can see, after so many retests, we managed to break it on the downside. Now we are consolidating around this level of resistance, $7,400 over here, and trying to break on the upside. Why are we holding still over this level of resistance over here? Is because of 20 exponential moving average is trying to give us some kind of a level of support. It's successful for now, but I don't know for how long we are going to hold up over here, because we are consolidating around this very long time already, and we are dropping pretty drastically non-stop. So this is why I'm saying this is no trading zone, and I wouldn't trade this if I were you anytime soon until we see some kind of a confirmation on the upside or on the downside where the Bitcoin price will go. We can bring the MACD and the RSI. They are showing us very interesting stuff. As we can see, histogram is showing us a low signal, which means those two moving averages could go on the downside all over again, divergent to the bearish side, and we could see further drop lower. As we can see, signal is fading. Similar stuff is happening with the RSI. Whenever Bitcoin have some kind of a downtrend, the RSI is trading around 50 and below. Whenever we have some kind of an upside, we can see that the RSI is going from 50 to overbought zone. So this is very important to know, because right now we are declining from level of 50 over here till we break surely on the upside over here and start trading around this area. I can't say that the RSI is bullish anytime soon. Now, one interesting indicator or chart, let's say, is the longs on the Bitfinex chart. We can see that the longs start mooning and went to the all-time highs and started now already for the 2 days to decline from that level, and this could indicate Bitcoin price drop even further lower. We're going to see how this price is going to act over here on the 20 exponential moving average, but I don't think the 20 exponential moving average is very important for the longs. If longs do not start climbing all over again, we could see Bitcoin price going on the downside. And why is that? This is the people who are betting Bitcoin to go bullish. Unfortunately, all that time they were betting over here, we can see that the Bitcoin was stagnate. That's not good. If the longs are going on the upside, Bitcoin should at least show us some kind of a bullish trend on the upside. Shorts are still on all-time lows also, and it's questionable if they are going to start climbing anytime soon, because longs are start to decline from this level of resistance, let's say, because we managed to reach the all-time high in longs chart. Now, longs and shorts doesn't mean necessarily that they are going to affect Bitcoin price directly, but they did had some kind of an impact on the 2018 and 17 charts, and everybody were watching that on that time. If the shorts were going down, that's some kind of an indication that the Bitcoin price may or may not go on the downside. The reason number two why I'm also bringing this up on this video, and we're going to watch these charts a little bit longer, is because we need to see, are those indicators like shorts and longs having any impact on the price anymore, because if they don't, we could exclude them a little bit further away from the Bitcoin price, because they could give us the fake signals. But for now, it's good to follow them to see if the Bitcoin price is actually going to react on them. Also, we can bring the crypto fear and greed index. As we can see, we are still on 39 level. It's still fear, but it's not extreme fear like we had few months ago. So now we are still trying to find some kind of a relief from the drop of the Bitcoin price, but I think, and I'm afraid, if the Bitcoin price starts still visiting those levels and making those lowest lows, at least local lowest lows over over here and finally retest this $6,000, we can see this crypto fear and index going further lower and maybe extend this mini bear market, let's say, for a little bit longer. Altcoins in the game: Ethereum is on 126, XRP 19 cents, still holding, not so bad. Bitcoin Cash 186, Litecoin $40, EOS 2.5 holding. Binance Coin is on 13.2. This is very good buy for the BNB Binance Coin. Bitcoin SV 86, Tezos 1.37, Stellar 4.5 cents. Tron is on 1.3, while Cardano is laying down on 3.3 cents, Monero 46, and Chainlink on 1.8. Not so bad. Altcoins are still following the Bitcoin side action. Unfortunately, we have side action over here, and we have some kind of decline in the altcoins, which is totally normal. And Bitcoin is declining also because it's holidays. People are not spending money for the Bitcoin. Now we can see that by the volume over here in the past 2 days, as we can see, very low volume, and this is totally normal. All I can tell you now, guys, buy the Bitcoin for the long term if you're a long-term investor, because once the Bitcoin starts hitting the road and the bottom is maybe already in, and maybe we're going to retest this level of support one more time, and after that we could spike on the upside. Just we need to be patient and to see the Bitcoin price reacting on this level of supports. Now I want to thank every single each one of you for watching us. As and always, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Hit that like and subscribe button. Follow us on the other social medias because we are uploading there also pretty much daily, so you can see the news and to be relieved a little bit from this bearishness over here, which is nothing more than a little bit bearish action. That's all. Thank you very much for watching over again, and until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.